Welcome to Daring Marine YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about exhaust valve in marine diesel engine, their diagram, working, and what are the material used. So let's move on to topic exhaust valve. So two-stroke crosser engine, they have single exhaust valve mounted in their center of cylinder head, and the opening and closing of exhaust valve is controlled hydraulically by a cam mounted on camshaft. Okay, two-stroke crosser engine will have a single exhaust valve mounted on the center of the cylinder head. A single exhaust valve mounted in the center of the cylinder head. Opening and closing of valve controlled hydraulically by cam mounted on camshaft. Okay. Here we can see the picture of a exhaust valve. Here valve spindle is there. Here there is a single exhaust valve mounted in the center of cylinder head. We can see there is valve spindle is center of cylinder head, and opening and closing of valve is controlled hydraulically by cam mounted on camshaft. Okay. Then working. The lube oil from the engine lube oil system. It is displaced by the hydraulic pump operating a piston in the exhaust valve, which pushes the valve open. Lube oil displaced by the hydraulic pump operates piston in the exhaust valve, which pushes the valve open. Air at a 7 bar is led via non-return valve to the underside of piston attached to the valve spindle. So air is fed at a 7 bar to the non-return valve underside of the piston to the valve spindle. As valve open, air underneath piston is compressed. Okay, as the valve slightly open, the air underneath piston will be compressed. The expansion of this compressed air when hydraulic pressure is relieved assists in the closing of valve. So the expansion of this compressed air when hydraulic pressure is relieved assists in the closing of valve. The air is supplied with a small amount of oil for lubrication purpose. The air is supplied with a small amount for the lubrication purpose also. So air is also let down the exhaust valve gate. This keeps the gate cool and lubricated, and thus prevent the exhaust gas leaping up the gate. So this air is also let down to the exhaust valve gate. This air keeps the gate cool and lubricated and prevents the exhaust gas leaking up the gate. The excess oil which collects in the bottom of the air spring cylinder is drained to culling tank. Excess oil that is collected will be drained into culling tank. Okay. From the lube oil displaced by the hydraulic pump operates a piston in the exhaust valve, which pushes the valve open. So air at 7 bar is led via non-return valve to the underside of piston to the valve spindle. As valve opens, air underneath the piston is compressed. So expansion of the compressed air when the hydraulic pressure is relieved assists in the closing of valve. The air is supplied with a small amount of oil for the lubrication purpose also, and air is also let down to the exhaust valve gate. So this keeps the gate cool and lubricated and prevents the exhaust gas leaking up the gate. Excess oil which collects at the bottom of air spring cylinder is cultured into the culling tank. Then valve spindle is filled with a valve rotator. So the kinetic energy in the exhaust gas rotates the valve a small amount as it passes. This keeps the valve at even temperature and helps reduce the buildup of deposit of valve seat. So here valve rotator or rotor cap, it is placed. The kinetic energy of the exhaust gas rotates valve a small amount as it passes, but the valve rotator keeps the valve at even temperature and helps reduce the buildup of deposit on the valve seat. So material of valve cage and gate will be cast iron. So valve cage and gate will be cast iron. Valve seat will be hardened molybdenum steel. Valve seat will be hardened molybdenum steel. Valve spindle will be molybdenum chrome alloy with a layer of stellate welder on seating face. Valve spindle will be molybdenum chrome alloy with a layer of stellate welder on seating face. So these are the material used in the exhaust valve marine diesel engine. Thank you.